So here's a quick tutorial on how to get math equations inside Google Docs in a free way and using LaTeX. So what we're going to do is we're going to go add-ons, get add-ons, and you're going to search GMath. So John has nicely put a GMath plugin here. You have to hit accept to allow it to connect to an external service. And what's going to end up happening now is it's just under the file folder add-ons. Okay, so create math expression. Or you actually can create equations as well. Now uses the language LaTeX. So LaTeX is kind of the universal math language that most university and college professors use, and it's actually what the more commonly and popular math type is built on. Now math type does have its own way to type equations in. It costs money, but if you're willing to spend that money, it's an extremely easier and user-friendly way of putting math equations in. So this way is a free way, but unfortunately you need to understand LaTeX. So you can always check out math type after if you get frustrated, and it's pretty cheap, and I've used it quite a bit and I highly recommend it. But I understand LaTeX as well, and I'll give you just the difference. So let's say I wanted a fraction. Here you have to actually understand the code \frac a over b. Now before I go further, for the codes I just searched LaTeX mathematics, and there's a nice Wikipedia site that comes up, and it shows me all the ways on how to do this. Now I'm familiar with LaTeX, but in case you're not, how to do kind of 3 times 1/2 is equal to 1 1/2 is the code right here. Okay, and so how you can do arrays and stuff and so on, and square roots is all that. It's pretty interesting. So let's say though I wanted to show you the difference is if I wanted to do the sine of say 7a over b, what I'd have to do is sine and then frac of 7a over b and hit insert, and what you'll see appear is the sine of 7a over b. Now this is where I'll just give you a quick insight on how it's not as user-friendly. If I wanted to do brackets around the fraction, you would think that I would just be able to put brackets like that, and what you'll notice is the brackets aren't showing up as nice. So you kind of have to know that you have to go left bracket, right bracket, and you'll see the difference here very shortly in that how the brackets extend. So you'll kind of get an idea that just typing sine of 7a over b with brackets around it is not as easy as maybe other equation editors that cost money. However, this is a free version, and you know, I think that getting kids to see this LaTeX language is extremely important, as most likely the university professor that they are going to be taught with in a couple of years or next year uses this language to program or type in their own notes. So alright, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, put them down below. Thanks.